Hey, if you're getting this email, that means you haven't finished your assessment for social studies. I'll show you quickly if you're having trouble logging on. I'll even show you how to get that one answer that people are having trouble with. But make sure that today you get that assessment finished so I can close out the grade book for chapter 10. Log on, you should see a page that looks like this. You're going to come down to assessments. You're going to click on assessments. Make sure that it's chapter 10 or lesson 10 up here. Then you can scroll down. These are multiple choice questions. You read the question, where does most of the money come from to pay for public services? You have these questions. You click the correct answer. If you don't know how to read them, it'll read it for you. Answer each of the questions. Then you have this question, which is a lot of students are having a hard time with. Which picture shows a public service? Circle the letter. You can't circle this letter, but you can write it in here. The way that you would write it in here is you click on this and you hold it down and then you write it. I'm actually on someone's test, so I don't want to write the answer. Then it says, show what you know, draw a picture or make a map of a new community, put at least 3 public services on the map, write a story to go with your picture or map. You can use this right here, shapes. There's all kinds of different things you can do. Like, let's say you want to do geography. You're like, oh, I want to have a shop in my community. You click on shop, there it is. Now you can't drag it around yet. You can just move it around if that's what you want. And then you can add more things on there. Like maybe you want to have some government on there, maybe a police officer. Take that, and you can move the police officer around. You can build it that way, or you could just use the drawing tool to get what you want from that. Okay, erase these. Then you have to pick one example of a public service and explain why the service is important to the community. Police, fire, public schools, public parks. Explain why. Then you have one more question. Which of these is not a public service? You just select the first one. And then you hit submit. If you are missing answers, it will show you the answers that you don't have. You need to have something in every single screen. So make sure that you're doing that. I know everyone can do this. Most of the class is finished. So if you're getting this, you're one of the few that are not finished, and I need you to finish. So make sure that you get this assessment finished today and send it in so I can get it all checked. Hope you're having a great day.